give me medical after. He slippers. He don't me. I need to look at it. You want to go 2 times? We must take the limit. I'm wicked. Hey, what am I doing with you?
What is wrong with you, children?
Oh, Mama, what is wrong with you?
Children, stop it! Drop that thing. And you, drop those bottles.
Hey!
You children can never give me breathing space in this house.
Hey!
What has come over you? Every time, fight. Eh?
Hey!
What happened? Tell me.
Nebeni.
Why are you fighting?
Ask her.
Eh?
Mama. Ask her. Mama.
Yes?
Just because I wore her slippers and went to the stream to fetch water, she saw me coming back. She did not even ask me anything. She started beating me. Mama, why would she beat me? Because I want to wear slippers, Mama.
Linda.
Don't you make it of my sin? Don't you?
Linda, did you hear her? Is it true?
Before Uncle.
Hey!
Why would she use my slippers? Slippers in a joker. I wear these slippers to church to look good for God. She will wear to go and fetch water. Not only did she go the first one, second one, planning to go on the third one with my slippers. If she can't sit on the way, what will happen?
Hey! Linda, why are you so wicked?
Mwanka.
Why are you so wicked?
Okay.
Oh, you want your younger sister to take permission from you before
Why
you
would
do
she
your
take
hair?
permission from me?
Is that good?
Hey!
You should be ashamed of yourself for fighting your younger sister.
Mwash.
Yes, tell me. What does she learn from you? Tell me the good things you do.
Yeah,
You, drop that bottle. Drop those bottles. Oh, you have to use it.
Mama.
Yeah,
Mama.
you children will not kill me.
Oh, baby, why are you out here? Come inside now. Come, let's go.
I want to ask you something.
You want to ask me something outside here? What is it that you can ask me inside here?
Yes.
Okay, say it. I'm all ears. I'm listening. What is it?
What am I still doing in my father's house? When will you come and do what is required for you to do? Eh? What am I still doing in my father's house?
It's like you fought with your sister again.
You see what I mean?
So what caused the fight?
Is it not Nneka when she will not respect me? Eh? She will not respect me in that house. Be looking for someone's trouble up and down. Nonsense.
That does not answer my question. What is the cause of the fight?
Never mind.
I should never mind now. Okay. It's okay, no problem. So can we go inside now? Can we?
I'm not going.
Baby, see, I understand how you feel. But, you see, I just buried my father 4 months back. And I need some time, at least to arrange some things and make some things right. At least a year to mourn him before talking anything marriage. You're from this community and you know what I'm talking about. Okay, just give me just 8 months to mourn my father. Okay? And I know you know that.
I've heard you. I understand. It's just that girl keeps annoying me all the time. She's just frustrating me in that house.
No. Nneka that I know is not a troublemaker. What I want you to do is to search yourself very well because I know you're the cause of all these problems.
Meaning?
Oh. You're my fiancé. You're the one I want to marry, about to marry. So I know you very well.
Oh. So me, I'm not the troublemaker.
And I didn't say that, but you have to say. I didn't say you're a troublemaker. I say you should search yourself.
Oh.
You know. But anyway.
Okay, it's
okay. It's okay. Let's cut the topic. Can you prepare something for me?
No, it is Nneka that will come and prepare it. She's the peacemaker. I'm the troublemaker. Before I can burn your kitchen, it's Nneka that will come and cook it.
Wait, that you're not going to prepare me food to eat? Your husband to be?
Yes.
You don't want to prepare anything for me to eat?
Yes, Nabia cook way.
Okay.
She will come and prepare it.
Thank God I know how to cook.
It's Nneka that will come and cook it.
So,
where are you going?
You say you're not going to prepare my food. So let me go and do it. You know I know how to cook.
You are not going anywhere.
Let me do it myself.
So you're not looking for who they will say is looking for trouble up here? That's what you're looking for.
You say you're not cooking for me.
You are looking.
Let me go and do it.
Good evening, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah, Linda.
Sir?
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Paul's house.
At this time of the night?
Papa would have come back since so. But when I wanted to go, Paul said, don't go. I said, Paul, why? He said, Linda, cook for me. That's why I'm coming back now.
Linda, get a chair and sit down. I want to talk to you.
Sir?
I said, get a chair and sit down. I want to talk to you. Linda.
Sir?
Your mother told me that you fought with your sister Nneka this afternoon. Why? That I don't want to hear anything from you. Don't say one word. What's going on? Now listen, enough is enough. Henceforth, any day, any time both of you fight in this compound, you will pack out of this compound for me. Oh yes. I've had enough of the two of you. The reason I called you, Linda, I know that Paul is your husband to be, but your constant visits to his house worries me. Please, don't let pregnancy come into it. Because if it does, it is going to be a very big problem. Very big one. No child of a cabinet member from Dikeh's palace must be pregnant before marriage. Or else, that cabinet member will be expelled and all his posts taken away from him. That will bring shame to us. And don't even think of abortion. Never. It's a taboo from our family. If you do it, or you dip your hand into blood, on death. Biko. Please. A word is enough for the wise. Please. Good night.
Sister, good morning. Sister, I'm greeting you. Good morning.
Linda, is it not you that your younger sister is greeting?
Mama, please, I have somewhere important to go to this morning.
That has not answered my question.
I don't have time for idle greetings, oh. Not the way Kenny, I don't want. She don't greet me. Ha! Because she should pocket her greeting, oh. Somewhere important to go to. I've kept my tea here, oh. Nobody should touch it, oh.
Mama, please, let her go, okay?
What is wrong with her?
Oh, it's too early for this, please. I don't have time for all this morning. Just let her.
Your father is right. And most importantly, my church forbids a woman getting pregnant before wedding. And such wedding cannot happen in my church. So we have to wait till the morning of my father is over. Then we can have ourselves, all by ourselves, till the rest of our lives. Do you understand?
Okay.
Good. Okay, let me go and prepare for work.
Kita.
Yes, I left some workers at the site. I have to go and meet them.
Hey, stay small now. I just came. I don't want to go.
But you have to go. This is what put food on my table.
Oh, yeah,
on
go.
Our table.
Go now.
What is it?
Go now. Of course, you going to go.
You're not laughing.
What do you want me to say
I
again?
want you to smile for me.
Go.
That was sweet. Anyway, I will see you when I come back.
Oh, Jimmy.
I'll see you when I come back. The house plan is fine. It's wonderful.
Yeah. Everyone that sees this comments on it, I've got the platform for you.
Wow, single loan?
Yes.
So when do you intend completing the building?
You are the contractor, so you tell me.
And your money will talk. Once you give me money, I'll start the job immediately. By next week, you see the magic I will do.
Alright, I'll give you 65% of your charge. Then I will wait and see how fast you are before going back to Australia.
65%. I'm working on. It's nice. I'm man now. If you can make it up to 70, I think it's better.
70%. Alright, deal.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Then,
tomorrow morning, you can meet me. I will transfer the money to you.
no problem. Wow. What I'm seeing here is wonderful.
Yeah, I also have another one on my phone. I can show you.
Sister, I got the clothes. Sister, why? Why?
I don't trust these jobs.
Linda. Nne.
We go with you.
Let us help you. Stand up.
No, go and
Let
do what
us
you are
help
doing.
you.
Go and do what you are doing now. Go by myself.
Sister, please let me help you.
Leave me now. Let's tell you I'm here.
Oh.
Ha. Doing someone something as the person is. Can't even help someone with her slippers. Can't help somebody with slippers.
No, give her your own.
Mama, leave me alone. Ah.
Okay, she has her own. Hey, Linda, your father is here. You said you want to talk to us.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Papa, there's something I want to talk to you about.
I'm listening.
There's this friend of mine that lives in Ajali. And she said I should come and help her. I said, friend, what is it? She said she's pregnant and that her mother-in-law is sick. And she needs somebody to come and stay with her till she delivers. So that's what I said. Let me ask.
Wait, I don't understand. Are you trying to tell us that you want to go and stay with your friend until she delivers?
Yes, she has been calling me for 1 full week. I didn't agree until I just said, let me agree, then ask you people.
Sister, please. How many months pregnant is this your friend?
Master, are you my father? It's 3 months.
3 months pregnant. Sister, so you mean you want to go and stay with her for like 6 months before you come back?
Till she delivers.
It's like you people are not saying this thing the way I'm saying it. Darling, you said you want to go and stay with your friend for 6 months.
Till she delivers in Ajali.
What do you want us to tell your husband to be poor if he comes?
Papa, that one is not a problem. I will handle it.
Adima, I don't have any objection. Just be very careful. That's much.
What are you trying to say? That we should allow her to go or what?
What do you want me to say? She says she can handle the situation. Let her go ahead. My own is be very careful. Linda, bele yo.
Since her father has supported her, what do you want me to say again?
Mama, 6 months. Sister, all I'm saying that 6 months is far. Don't blame your husband if he takes another wife.
Linda, do you think your husband will allow you to go?
Ha! Husband. Mama, when I am married though, When I am married.
Your mouth will be running like a tap water. Eh?
So, what are you trying to say?
I said that my friend from Ajali called me and said, friend, come and help me. I said, why? She said she's pregnant and she's always sick and that her mother-in-law is not feeling well too. I said, friend, yeah, why are you telling me? She said she wants me to come and help her in Ajali. I said, friend, Ajali is far. Ajali is far. And I don't know. So she kept disturbing me. I just said, let me come and help her. That's why I came to tell you.
Okay, it's okay. But how long are you going to be away?
Because of the way she said it, I'm thinking around 6 months.
6 months? Only 6 months?
What is it?
Hey, 6 months is too much. It's too much. Hey, man, I'm missing you.
6 months is not too much. She said it's until she delivers because she's pregnant. 6 months is not. See now, before I walk to the gates, 3 months ago, before Jelo, even 3 months.
You know why I said it's too much?
Why?
Okay, it's okay. But if I want to see you, how do I locate you?
But don't worry yourself, just be going to work out. You know you're always working every day, and I don't want you to disturb yourself. Just concentrate on your work. 6 months. Wait, 6 months on Kwanifo.
No problem. Just take care of yourself for me and be careful.
After that 6 months now, it will not come and match with that time that you are saying that you come and do something for my head.
I'm not talking much. I'm not talking much. 6 months is too much.
Linda, you mean you lied to your parents and fiancé that you want to go and visit your pregnant friends whose mother-in-law is sick? Am I pregnant?
Leave that thing, no. Forget it. I know what I said, and I know why I said what I said. Just leave it.
Linda, tell me, what if they decide to look for you and find out that all what you told them were all lies? What would you do?
Nebekwan, how? I have handled that one. Leave this thing. It's my lie. It is not your lie. So leave me to lie my lie. The lie is my own. Okay? Linda. Nne, please, is there something in the house? I'm hungry.
I don't have food. I don't have food.
What do you mean?
I said I don't have any food in this house. If you want to eat, you know the way to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen and prepare food for yourself.
If I enter that kitchen and cook something, if you even taste the salt, no, it's not me.
I'll test it first.
No. Just come to the house. Money is not covered. I'm going to give it. Yes. No problem. Just do whatever.
Why not, sir?
Excuse me. Let me call you. Wait. Yes. No, come close. Please, excuse us.
Okay, no problem.
Are you not Nega? Mazu Doji's second daughter?
Yes, I am. Any problem?
No. I'm Obina, Mazu Nzekwe's son. They are based in Lagos.
Oh,
Obinna, Mazi Zekwe.
Yes.
You're welcome, sir. You said you wanted to talk to me. What is it? What is it?
No problem. It's just that I like you.
My son.
Papa.
You said you have found the wife you want to marry.
Yes, Papa, I found someone. Mazu Dodge's second daughter.
Have you discussed with her?
Yes, Papa, I've discussed with her and she says she will think about it and get back to me.
Aye. That is how it is done. Udoji's family is a good family. And I like it. But let's pray it works.
Papa, it will work.
Have you gone to your new building site and what did you see?
Papa, I like what I see.
Yeah, the contractor is doing a very nice job there.
I asked him to come over in the morning to collect some money. You know now that I'm going for my marriage, so I need everything to be fast as.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
Hey. Bia, Neka, greet our visitors. Greet them. Go ahead. I don't know who goat. Oyilin Naya.
Oh, Odarugo.
I don't know who goat.
Oga Tobi.
Okay, same here. Aye. I'm working for the home.
This is Mazi Nzekwe. The young man sitting there is his son, Obinna. And of course, you know your uncle. It's your fault. Mazi Nzekwe came here with his son. They have come to ask for your hand in marriage. Now, they brought this drink. Do we accept their drink?
Papa, go ahead and enjoy your drinks.
Chelu. Did you listen very well? I did not say they came here to come and marry Linda, your sister who got married last month. They have come to ask for your hand in marriage. Do we accept their drink, qui or quickly? Drink, qui or quickly?
I heard you loud and clear. Go ahead and enjoy your drink.
Doctor, please talk to me. How is my wife and my baby?
Mr. Paul.
Doctor, what is it? Talk to me.
Calm down. Please sit down.
Doctor, you're not saying anything.
Just sit down. Okay. Your wife is fine.
Oh, thank you. Thank God.
I'm sorry what you lost to be.
Not again. Not again. What is this? What is going on? Who is doing this to me? What have I done wrong? Eh? This is the third time my wife is giving birth to a dead baby. And series of miscarriages. What have I done wrong? Who have I wronged? Eh? What is this? Does it mean that my wife is an Obanje or belongs to the marine world?
Oh. How can you say that? Why would you think it's my fault, or why do you think I belong to any of those things you mentioned? What if we have enemies working against us? You didn't even think of the external factors, you're just blaming me.
And who is the enemy? Who is the person doing this to us? Baby. Baby. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. Maybe we'll go to the hospital and see the doctor. He might tell us the cause of this problem and maybe give us a solution.
How can you think it's my fault?
It's okay. It's okay.
Mama ewo, Chukwu Chekwube mu o, Udalugo nwam ewo, Chukwu Chekwube mu o, Oyo mama ewo, Chukwu Chekwube mu o, Achalugo nwam biakene, nne gị na-akpọ gị o, elebe ukwu egwu ewu o, ugogbe m ji ahụ ụzọ e, ọlaedo nwa m obi ya, ọmụma asarụ o, nwa m njem ọnụ bịa. Bia bie mama asimo onye na-akpọ nwa mma ewo Chukwu Chekwube mu o Udalugo nwa m ewo Chukwu Chekwube mu o Oyo mama ewo Chukwu Chekwube mu o
Mama oh Mama you won't kill me. Well, who taught you this song? Hey, I love this song.
I composed it for you.
Mama see it. The song that you're calling from Mama. I like that name.
You like it, eh? And you like the song too. Okay, I will teach you the song, and then from today, I will start calling you Mama.
Mama, sing again.
Onye na-akpọ nwa mma ewo Chukwu Chekwube mu o Udalugo nwa m ewo Chukwu Chekwube mu o. Oyo oyo mama ewo. Chukwu Chekwube mu o. Achalu ugo nwa m bịa kene nne gị na-akpọ gị o. Elebe ukwu egwu ewu o. Ugogbe m ji ahụ ụzọ.
Doctor, I am very confused. Very, very confused. My wife here has given birth in this hospital several times. With many miscarriages. What should be the cause of all these problems? What is happening? Doctor, how do we solve this? And what's the solution? Or is there anything wrong with both of us?
There is nothing wrong with both of you. I think the problem she's having is stress. That's just the problem. She should work on that. If she can stop stressing herself, she'll carry her own baby.
Doctor, when you talk of stress, we don't have plenty house chores to cause the stress.
Let me ask you, Mr. Bo. Are you living with anyone in your house? I mean, any housemate to assist her in the house chores?
No, it's just the two of us.
You see what I'm talking about? That is the problem. Both of you, that means she's the only one doing the house chores. And doing that is stress. So I would suggest you employ someone who will help her in doing all that. Immediately you work on this, you'll see your wife, she'll carry her own baby. All she needs is to eat, relax herself. She should do more on diet. She needs rest.
Okay. Doctor, we've heard you. Thank you very much. Honey, let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, doctor. Baby.
Yes?
I wanted to go and discuss with your mother to help you find a girl. Please help you to do some housework.
Okay. But a girl of about how old?
Any girl that can be able to work, as long as the person is capable to do the housework, doing some cleaning, cooking, washing, any girl that can work. Even if it's a girl of 30 years. That can...
What? 30 years? 30?
Yes, 30. Is there anything wrong with that?
No, there's no problem. It's okay.
So,
no problem.
As long as the person can walk.
No problem.
Okay, good.
I have something I was doing inside. Let me go and conclude it.
Chekwube, Mama. Why are you back so early from school? What happened? Huh?
They sent me out of school because I've not paid my school fees.
But I asked you to tell your headmaster that I will bring the money next week. Eh?
You traveled. And those teachers, they refuse to listen to me.
Oh my God. What do we do now?
I don't know.
It's okay. Maybe we'll go to the farm and harvest some cassava and sell in the market to make some money. Eh? Don't worry, you will pay your school fees. Oh? You will pay.
My daughter, there is problem. This thing is going to be hard.
Hard? How do you mean, Mama?
Because the way you young married women treat children these days. The parents are afraid to release their children. You treat them as if they are slaves.
Those women and those people. But that's not for me now. You know I cannot take someone's child, into my house and start to maltreat the person.
Okay, are you not my daughter Linda? I know. Or have you changed?
Agbo has come. Mama, what are you trying to say? I don't understand. Why are you talking like this? Are you trying to insinuate or trying to tell me that I'm wicked?
Or have you changed? I have not said so. I didn't say you are wicked. Because I remember the way you used to treat your sister when both of you were here before you got married. Every day, fight.
Is that where you are putting your hand? That one is old now. No, now.
Oh, have you changed?
Mama, stop it now. I'm not like that now.
Okay.
You are just saying it to know what I'll say. You just chemally me. You know I've changed. I'm not before.
Okay, I will try. I will try. But my daughter, please be very careful. In case if I see anyone, you
see somebody.
Try.
How is Neka?
Okay, Neka. They are doing fine. I even spoke with them 2 days ago. They are doing fine. So how is your husband?
He's fine.
Allow your daughter to go with my daughter. If not for any other thing, consider her condition. She will treat her very well.
And most importantly, I will put her in a good school.
It's not that I don't like your family or your daughter, but I have vowed that nothing will make me give up my daughter as a house help. Because of what one woman did to Dikeh's daughter, who is serving under her. Hey, she had to press hot iron on that little girl's chest. Simply because she broke a teacup.
But my daughter has no such heart. She will treat her very well.
I'm just afraid. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter, so I can't let her go, please.
Let's go. Okay, thank you.
Mama, why not allow me to go?
Shut up! What do you know? Eh? You better be. Come on, go inside.
Son, Chioma, my daughter, you heard what he said. Will you go with him?
Yes, Mama, Hey, Afreni, thank you very much. Thank you, even. In that case, get your things together. We come for you first thing tomorrow morning. Okay. You know? Hey, Afreni, my regards to your husband when he comes back. Ne, at least you're happy now. Yes. Got someone. Okay, Afreni, thank you.
Comfortable, cha.
How do you mean?
Hey, listen, how do you mean? I don't want to share my husband with another woman, no. Hey.
Lie. Wait. I still don't understand.
Did you see the wristwatch she was wearing? The lipstick on her lips, the weave on her head, then the way she was standing. Hey, Mama, bow. Onye Nkadi too matured. She's too matured. I told him cha-cha. Wabi namdim mbao. Hey! Ne bed.
Okay. What do we do now?
We will look for another person. We'll find another person.
Your problems are many. Please, I'm going home. I'm so tired.
We'll find another person. No, me, I don't want this one.
I will not again.
This one is too mature.
Your problems are so many.
I will not sell my daughter into slavery. Never.
So, Aplonia, what I'm trying to tell you is to release your daughter to go and live with my daughter in the township. That's what I'm asking for.
We are saying the same thing. Leaving my daughter to go and live with your daughter in the city is as the same thing as selling her into slavery.
Aplonia, why are you sounding this way? I thought we are close friends.
That is the reason why I am sounding this way. To keep that friendship. So that it does not result to something else in the future.
Hey!
Yes! You know what these young married women do to househelps?
After staying in your house for 3 days, I told the whole village and the neighboring community you couldn't find a house girl.
Nobody. Everybody is just scared of giving their children out to stay with people, to help people. They keep complaining that they will turn their children to slaves. So it's very difficult now.
Anyway, I don't blame anyone because the way people maltreat people's children these days is terrible. As for me, what will make me ever give up my child?
Are you trying to say that there are no good women at all?
There are few, my dear, very few. But it's okay. So what's the next thing to do now?
I don't know, but I have not lost hope. We'll keep looking and searching. We'll find.
Okay.
Let me go inside and get and freshen up and make something for us to eat.
No problem. Let me call
Solo.
Let me call Solo.
That one that refuses to pay people.
Hello, Solo.
Oh.
Hello. Solo. Is Wazico there? Okay.
we? Who is we?
Me and your house help.
Paul, who is this?
Our house help. Our new house help.
Awa. Hello.
She's very hardworking.
What is your name?
My name is Taisi, but my friends call me Taisi Baby.
Taisi Baby.
Honey, it's okay. But I know with time, we get to know each other more. Taisi. You go get your bag. I hope she's okay.
Very okay.
She's very hardworking.
Yes. But do you have... Just give me 500 naira first.
500?
500 naira. Give me 500. Thank you. Tessie baby.
Okay, so you guys should get along.
It is because I'm a good somebody and I have church mind. I'm not going to ask you for change from this morning. Okay. Take it. You know the road that you people came from? That road. You know it from here. I want you to look for Okada. Now, enter the Okada. Hey! You're running. Now, Nefe, be going. Nya, be going. Just if I turn back now and see you here, you will not like me. Be going to go and meet those people that sent you to me and my husband. Be going, no? Be going. Be going, no? Go. Be going. Don't look back, mancha. You see this your waist that you are shaking? Shake away. Hey, shake away. Shake on. Shake it. Don't stop, oh. Honey? Don't stop.
Honey, what is it?
Now, Tessie baby is what you brought for me. Shake on. Shake it and go. Shake it and be going. Be going.
Do you know how much I suffer to bring this girl to this house?
Now suffer. Don't suffer again, oh. Don't suffer. It's me you are doing favor. I don't want again. If it's this type that you are bringing for me, hey! Chelu, if you want second wife, it's okay. I will enter there and pack my load so that Tessie baby will take over. If you call him, he says, okay, Paul, which mouth will I use to tell this one to sweep the compound? Hey!
Okay, at least let me go and drop her.
Don't go anywhere.
It's okay, Tessie.
Hey! Come like this, oh. Hey! So that she will not disturb your spirits. I said be going.
Okay, at least.
Be going.
At least let me drop her.
Paul, you will kill me, oh. You will kill me in this compound, oh. Where's gonna? Oh, so Linda baby is not good for you. It's Tessie you want.
What will her mother say? What will her mother say? What will her mother say? You know how far I went to bring this girl to this house?
Did she give you anything to eat? Did this girl give you anything to eat?
Leave my clothes, let me go inside.
Go no.
Leave my clothes.
Go, yeah, go inside. Go. Hey!
Molly, please, I have to drop this girl.
Paul, you will kill me, oh.
What is it?
Enter the house.
No. Stop this.
Paul,
please.
Paul. Hey. Enter. Hey! She even sat in my seat. Now, first lady. Chair lady.
Her mother say.
So that she would travel from morning, afternoon, night. Then I'll run and go. Mban. It's not in this compound. Hey! Linda won't go.
calm down now. Are you not tired? I'm not tired. No, I'm tired. I want to go home.
Hell. Chekwube, my daughter, please now. Let's do more work. We still have much time on them.
I cannot bear it again. I want to go home. I'm tired.
We'll go home.
I'm tired.
I won't. I do go. Utongwa. Nebiano, okay. I make way for. Oh, please.
Mama, I want to go
please
home.
now. Hey.
Achalugo nwam bekene negi na akpogio elebu kwekwewu ugogbe mja ụzọ oledo nwam obia ọmụma saru nwam jemonu bia 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 mama oyoyo nwa bia iwe gị dajua nwam jemonu bekene nwam jemonu bia 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 mama oyoyo nwa bia iwe gị dajua nwam jemonu bekene nwam jabamba bekene Chukwu Chekwube nwam bia iwe gị dajua ọmụma saru oyoyo nwam ụdala mmicham achalugo nwa ugogbe m ji ya ụzọ ọlaedo m Chekwube bia 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 asị m onye na-akpọ nwa mma ewo Chukwu Chekwube m ụdala ugo nwa m ewo Chukwu Chekwube m oyoyo nwa mma ewo Chukwu Chekwube m oyoyo nwa mma m ewo Chukwu Chekwube m.
Mama, where are you people going carrying this heavy load under the sun?
My son, don't worry. We are used to it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, my dear, how are you?
Fine.
Mama, are you people still going far?
Yes, so it's not too far. Our house is close now.
Okay. Okay, come here, let me drop you.
You want to drop us? Hey, Chekwube.
Hold on.
Hey.
Thank you. Mama, come inside.
Hey. No. Thank you. Hey. No. Thank you. Hey.
I bring that one here.
New Abamoto. Are you going to start? Okay. Hey.
Keep it.
Hey, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. Hey, what's your name?
Chekwube.
Chekwube. Oh, nice name. Why are you not in school by this time of the day? Why are others in school?
Uncle,
it's a long story. She will start school soon.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Mama, I have a request to make. I don't know if it will be granted. I want to ask you to allow Chekwube to stay with me, to live with me in the city.
To stay with you? Take her with you?
Yeah,
No.
Everything about her school, I will take care of it. Yes.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Umogugu.
Umogugu. So, what did you come to do here in Ajali?
Mama, I'm a building contractor. I have some houses to build in this town.
Okay. You have to go. You have to go and come back next time so that I will talk with her I will talk with my daughter, eh?
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm still in town. I have some things to do in town.
Okay.
I'll take my leave now.
Thank you.
Bye,
You're a
bye.
good person, eh?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, she's always a good girl. Hey, now, come. I didn't find you, Cola, beg.
It's okay.
You can
Mama. It's okay. Next time.
Hey,
When I come tomorrow.
Hey, what? Hey, I forgot to give him Cola. Okay, let's go inside. My daughter, you remember that man that brought us back from the farm yesterday? He was here this afternoon. He said he wants to know what our decision is. No, he came when he went to the street. You remember what he said, that he wanted to live with him and his wife? Yeah? So my daughter, what do you think?
Ma, you don't even need to ask me. Because you know definitely I will say no.
Why?
But do you know that man before? Do you know what he's like? Do you know how he behaves? Would you want me to go and stay with a stranger? No. I cannot. My brother is still in the city. Besides, if I go, who will help you? Who will stay here with you?
My daughter, you have spoken very well. Now listen. I don't know that man before, but my spirit tells me that that man is a good man. Yes. You heard what he said, that he will train you in the school. You know what we are passing through in this house? You've been in the house for some weeks now because of school fees. I will want you to go. Eh? Don't bother about me. I will be very, very fine. Oh?
Will that make you happy?
Very, very happy. Very, very happy. Thank you. Smile now. It's like you're still frowning, please. Thank you. And once again, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've discussed with my daughter and she has accepted to go with you. Please, I want you and your wife to take good care of her. She's my handbag. If not for what you told me about your wife, I wouldn't have allowed it to. I didn't make you. So please, my regards to your wife. Tell her that one day, Mama Chekwube to come and know who she is. Meanwhile, I will tell my son that Chekwube has gone to stay with you.
It's okay. It's okay. I will tell my wife what you said.
All right.
And I promise you that your daughter Chekwube will enjoy staying with us.
Yeah. Can you see him now? That is what I'm praying for. Hey, Chekwube, my dear, remember what I told you. Just remain the good girl that you've always been.
There's no time.
Okay, let's go and get your bag. We are coming. One thing to you.
Chekwube, like I said, you're welcome once again in our home.
Thank you.
Remember to do all I've told you, like sweeping the compound, washing, doing clean, in fact everything. And please don't allow my wife to do anything in this house because of her condition. Do you hear me?
Okay, I'll do as you said. But what if she wants to do something and I refuse?
You refuse to.
Then if she insists.
So honey, you now have someone to help you. Yes. I don't want to hear any stories. Please, take care of my baby for me. You can take her to her room.
How go to our Banye parlor now? The woman, Akanya, just room on the right, eh? Enter is your room.
Chekwube! Chekwube!
Oh, come here.
Be fast, I'll be late for work, please. What are you doing inside?
I was busy.
See, whenever it's 7 a.m., leave whatever you're doing, eh? Till you come back and start from where you stopped. Do you understand?
Okay.
Let's go. Honey, we are off.
Bye-bye.
Chekwube! 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 Check these books if they're complete.
They are complete.
Okay.
Thank
Where is your auntie?
She's inside.
Okay.
What is going on here?
Honey?
Look, I'll come back in my books.
Okay.
Chekwube, you take them inside and be very careful with those books. They're very expensive.
Okay, I will.
What is it? Why is your face like this?
Why did you buy those books for her? Those very expensive books. Why?
Because she needs them to study well in school.
And so, you now decided to buy all the books they wrote?
It's an order from the school. Why are you asking all these questions? Are you not happy I bought the books?
If you buy those expensive books for her, someone you don't know, what will you now spend on your own children? Paul?
See, let me tell you something. As long as this girl is under my care, I'll treat her like my child. Even though I am not the father. Yes.
Because she's under your roof, eh? Because she's under your roof, you want to spend all the money you've saved up all your life on her. Okay. Zanom, no?
I mean, what has come over you? What has really come over you? This girl has been doing a lot of housework in this house. Yeah? This girl does a lot of things in this house. The ones she's supposed to do, the ones she's not supposed to do, and you don't appreciate it. Just common book that I bought for her. You're ranting. Please, I don't want this girl to know that you're angry because I bought her books. Because she might decide to leave and go back to her mother. I know what that means.
Me, Linda, ranting. Okay? I'm ranting because I'm protecting my territory. I'm ranting because she's under your roof. You decided to spend all that money on the books. Tomorrow now, you decide to buy her computer. From computer, you will enter motor. From motor, you will build her house because she's under your roof. And I mean, you know. Don't let me start talking in this house.
Linda, let me ask you a question. What is your mission in this house? What is your mission? Are you here to ruin me or to save me? Or to kill me? What is your mission? Tell me. You know what we're passing through in this house. Meanwhile, you cannot obey to the simple instruction given by the doctor. What is your problem?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Yes, shut up. Don't sorry me. Chekwube said you went to the market to buy the things for the soup. Where are the things you bought? Where are the things you bought? According to you, the incident happened on your way back home. So where are the things you bought?
Maybe those people that took me to the hospital took those things.
Shut up, my friend. Nobody took anything from you. Why didn't you allow Chekwube to go to the market? Why didn't you allow her to buy whatever you want to buy? You went to buy in the market. She said she wants to go to the market, but you refuse her going to the market.
So it's Chekwube you are now listening to in this house. You will not listen to your wife, what she's saying, what I've been through. Is Chekwube you will listen to.
Friend,
it's Chekwube that is gossiping with me.
Just shut up. I know what to do.
Hey. So it's me Chekwube is using to gossip to my husband. She will see. Can you open up?